Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'll be taking you to my favorite chicken tandoori and naan place. This place, right, I've been coming here quite a while. It's been around for a long time. Last time they used to start with just one shop. Then now they expand until like 2-3 shops. One shop, and they are so famous because they are cheese naan. Actually, they are cheese naan and their original naan. And also their chicken tandoori is their specialty. So, and this place is in Limbongan, Melaka. It's called Pak Putra. It's a lot of people. You see outside, later I'll bring you. But right now I'm just here at 6 o'clock where they just opened. So I'm just going to show you before the place become very chaotic. It's our Malaccans will definitely know this place. It's our favorite place to hang out at night, especially for mama and also their delicious food. Let's go. Alright. So this area is called Limbongan. That's where you come from, the town area. And then this is actually the open space parking. It's a paid parking. Today I think the person is on holiday, so maybe it's free parking. So if you park here, right, you can go all there. That's Casa del Rio, the hotel. And the moment you straight away pass the hotel, right, that is actually a hotel, that place. You will reach Jonker Street. So it's actually very near Jonker Street, very convenient, this place. Or some people from Jonker Street, right, they come here to actually have their dinner as well, because this place only open like 5:30 onwards and until 1 a.m. So let's go. Show you how big these are. This is the place. Their table right until the end there. I'm here at about 6 o'clock. So that's why you see the table still like a lot empty. Come later a bit, habis. Just give you the idea of crowd. Now it's 7 o'clock. And remember, it's Chinese New Year holiday. Okay? So right to the end there. And beside, it's actually an empty space also for customers. This boat is off limit. Whoa! This is the tandoori grill. Very hot, standing quite near it. The smoke. Okay, this is to heat but
Hello. Good morning.
Oh, okay.
Good morning.
So this is the tandoori chicken. Wow, that's a lot, eh? So how long does the tandoori chicken stay here?
20 to 22 minutes.
20 to 22
the temperature
minutes.
is maintained. The
3 to 400 degrees.
This one also 3 to 400 degrees.
So it's 20 to 22 minutes.
Yeah.
And after that come out, it becomes like that.
All over there.
Nice. Cover. Not nice. Bread. This is kebab, right?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Chicken kebab, mutton kebab,
Chicken and mutton. Okay.
tikka roti, this one malai roti.
Cheese, mando. Hey, wait. I go for the bit. I stand for the bit. Yeah, go. Just do your work. The naan station. There's a cheese. There's dough.
पीछे लेके मेरी वीडियो लेके इधर लेके इधर आप बंदे भी लेके आ बंदे भी
No.
इधर
Build best. Hey, just go ahead. Nah. Pretend I'm not here. Bungkus. Business bagus ah. Business very good. Non-stop making naan. Roti naan. Wow, look at the fire.
एक लाख का हाँ भाई यार और देख कोई सदना
Yeah. I love your place.
keep him in frame.
Yeah, keep it in frame. Thank you.
ਇਹ ਹੁਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਗੱਡੀ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਭਾਈ ਇਹਨੇ ਚੱਲ ਚੱਲ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ
Chala, chala.
This way.
Chala, chala. Chalo,
It
chalo.
will take only 1 minute.
More minute inside. I see.
Inside 3 to 400 degrees.
324 degrees. Okay.
300 to 400 degrees.
Or 3 to 400 degrees.
Yeah.
I see.
They have to maintain the temperature between 3 to 400.
You use gas, right?
Yeah.
So it's that's the naan there. It just take about a minute in 3 to 400 degrees temperature.
इधर भी है भाई इसमें barbecue.
Yeah, so your new menu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
इधर आई हुआ है तंदूरी
Never mind. Finish the naan first. Done already? Wow, that's fast. 1 minute, right? That's their business. 5:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. They are closed on Mondays. Okay, you can imagine this is the first shop. When I came back here, when I came to eat in the shop, this is how the shop looks like. It's a small shop. And then a lot of cities outside. Till now it grows to a big business. It's been around here for 20 plus years already. So here's what I got. This is the cheese naan. It is supposed to pair with this dal here. Alright. And this is the butter chicken. Tell you this, their butter chicken is damn good. It's a butter chicken, usually you pair it with the tandoori. And you eat tandoori, right? Usually you use hand. But today I'm going to use the fork and spoon. And this is their famous tandoori chicken. Look at the chicken. Let me show you. The reason why is quite good. I mean, quite is it's an understatement. It's very good. You see the chicken, right? Even though it's under fire, right? The clay pot inside where the tandoori clay pot is not dry. Most of the places you go is dry. That is why it doesn't taste good. And so that's why this place, right, has become a favorite of Malacans. And you can see Malacans really love this place until the shop also grows so big. And their service is fast too. This sauce also. This sauce, put in with this sauce. Wow, damn nice. Tandoori meal will not be complete without this. This is plain nasi. Okay, usually plain nasi is a bit sour, and then so people like to order the flavored one or add a bit of sugar. But I don't. I like the sour taste like this. This plain nasi, right? If you ask the Chinese people, it's the secret how the Indian community, right, or even the Pakistani community there, they get to eat a lot of spices, but their body, right, not so heated up. Alright? It actually cools down the body like what I say. So they have this usually every meal. Not your soft drinks. It's this. So let's start eating. So when you talk about tandoori, the first thing is chicken. I've already put inside the sauce. The sauce here, like mint. Very good. So long never come already. Next is the cheese. I'm gonna tear this cheese down and show you how far the cheese will go. There's the cheese. You will notice, right? They don't put so much here. Okay. Oh, it's still good. Still good. I've not been here for quite a while already, actually. If you want even better, you can take the tandoori chicken, wrap it with some naan, or just put with the mint here. Or next one is the butter chicken. You have to stir it, right? I really like their butter chicken. It's okay, bro. So this is the butter chicken with the cheese naan. The sauce, the butter chicken is really smooth. It's not hot. Actually, it's not hot at all. Okay. So this is how it looks like, the butter chicken. And sometimes you just take the pieces out and just put it on your naan, or just have it like that. It's really, really good. Yep. You can see, right? Just now the tandoori chicken I show you, they serve with a separate fork and spoon. It's because sometimes, right, people just want to order the tandoori chicken. It's that good, and people just order it just like that. Onion, just put inside the mint sauce. The mint sauce is really one of a kind. Very good. Not too dry at all. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are around in Limbongan, Melaka, do come to Pak Putra. They really serve very good naan here. And as usual, I will leave the address down in the description down below. See you again. This is Kenny here. Bye bye. Okay, I'm going to Jonker Walk to get some stuff. So let me show you from the parking lot here. Okay, I'm after Pak Putra, and I'll show you the road to Jonker Walk. As you walk down the road, right, straight walk down the road, this is actually the hotel I was telling you about, Casa del Rio. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 5-star hotel, if I'm mistaken. On the right side, you'll see some of the houses here are converted to shops, alright? That's Casa del Rio. And one more thing, here, right, there's another paid parking. It's also per entry. I think it's 10 ringgit, if I'm mistaken. And today, as expected, it's full. So this is the paid parking. When you come to Jonker Walk, you can actually park here. You can't miss it. It's right opposite Casa del Rio. Casa del Rio, Melaka. So we are heading to that direction. Next time you are staying in Casa del Rio, right? Remember the road where we're heading? So this is the road. Right up down there, can you see the lanterns? Lanterns there? That is already Jonker Street. Okay? So if you are staying in Casa del Rio, you can actually walk to Jonker Street.